Hi, I'm Amal Kishore from Alma Beta cohort AC2250A. Today I am showcasing BingeHub, a full stack movie discovery platform built with React, Redux on front end, Node.js Express backend, and MongoDB for database. This is centralized platform to discover, bookmark, and track movies, TV shows with seamless authentication. It has key features like browse trending movies and TV show, user authentication, login registration with email verification, bookmark favorites, track watched content, search functionalities, and responsive UI. Now let me walk through you my key features, starting with user authentication, then exploration of other features, and finally the bookmark system. So this is my full stack movie discovery platform front end. This is home page. So here you can see I have one for trending section, one for recommended. It will recommend according to your watch list or like if you have watched any movies that related to that. And here I have movies section where you can sort movies by popularity rating, latest release, oldest release, or you can choose filter movies by language or genre. And similarly, I for also for TV shows, you can do that yourself by popularities, rating, latest release, oldest release, or you can choose by language or genre. Now here I have bookmark. So if for bookmark any TV show you have to log in. So I you can log in by normal registration and sign in method, or you can go with the Google Auth. I have used here. So for example, I'm logging in currently Google Auth. So it will sign in with Google Auth. Currently it's signed with Google Auth. Now I can bookmark any item or like if I have watched any movies or TV show, I can marked as watched. So like here, currently I watched like Avatar 5 and S. So I will mark as I have watched. It will show here green or like I have not watched currently Super Mario. So I will save as bookmark here for Super Mario. So here you can save in movies here bookmark item showing Super Mario and in my watched item here showing Avatar Fire and S. So this is all my front end. I so I have also done Swagger API documentation. So for authentication, AI for registration, login, and verification of verify for email. I have there. If you have forget password, then for resetting password, here token verification token for reset password. Then one for Google Auth, which I have used. Here bookmark for bookmark also there is one get bookmark for from the user, one for posting bookmark, one for deleting bookmark. Similar for user, creating user profile or updating user profile or deleting user profile. Similar for I watched here you can get the watched items. Then you can also like add marked as so watched any item or delete that. So this is like API documentation here. Here it is on a GitHub. So it is like continuous. It is continuous integration and continuous development CI/CD through GitHub. My backend is deployed on render and front end on Vercel. So now I am showing my code here. So this is like a front end here. So I have like made cards like movies cards. You can see single movies which is card showing. This is for that. Similar for trending cards and TV cards. Uh, Full layout which I have made sidebar. For that it is sidebar. I have hooks here, auth hook, bookmark and page. I have redux for like auth feature, bookmark feature and movies feature or similarly search. So these are my front end. In back end, I have like authentication route, bookmark route, user route, and watch it out. Also, I am modal, user modal. So here we have user schema, name, email, passwords, authentication provider. Like I currently have Google and one for local, so that API coming from TMDB, so TV movie database, so that here in front end all movies and TV data are coming from TV movie database API, which is I have used. So all coming from there. In project submission, where I have to submit like GitHub repo link, so I have done that here GitHub repo link. Here web link for deployment. Uh, One for API documentation, so I have used like Swagger API documentation. For that I have pasted link here. For PDF link for Google Drive or database. One for I have so, so here the link for the database design, which I PDF saved in PDF format in my Google Drive. I'll paste here my video demonstration, and here is Google link for like 10 practices I have implemented, and this is my project summary. So this is my all project demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.